Hi everyone, my name is Heman Bachu. I'm working as a SAP CX practice lead at Royal Cyber. I have around 15 years of experience in SAP. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up CTI Simulator so that a sales representative will call to the customer the lead which has assigned to him or her. Apart from this, we are also going to discuss what are the process flow steps to be configured to reach this requirement. As discussed in the previous slide, so these are the 5 steps we are going to show you in this video. First, we have to maintain the proper master data in the system to test all these requirements. Okay, and second one is we are going to show you how to download the CTA simulator in the C4C system. So once it is downloaded, then in the business configuration app, like we have to maintain few settings under the scoping. So we are going to discuss that. After that, like live active section, like what are the changes we need to do it. So once all these 4 steps has been done successfully, then we are going to test the process. In the testing, like as a sales representative, how it is going to do a outbound call, like so that's we are going to discuss in this. Okay, so I have created the required master and transaction data as a step one. Like if you see, uh, let's go to customers. So let's go to individual customers. Just like I have created one test customer here. In the same way, like I have created the lead also. Like okay. So if you see, like for the Unix company, I just created one contact person as a James Curry who attended the trade show which was conducted by us. Okay. So the required data has been created as a step one to save the time and all. So next one is like downloading the CTI simulator. Like so for which in the profiles, just go to downloads, just click on the download. Okay, so if you go at the bottom, you will find like CTI client adapter. Just click on download. Okay, I already downloaded this. That's why I'm getting like this. Okay, so whatever, it's nothing rocket science. Like just simply click on it, click on next, 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 and finish so that it will get downloaded and installed into the system. Like okay, for saving of time, I already downloaded. Okay, so you can able to see this symbol over here. Like once the download has been done, like step 3 is like in the business configuration. So we need to define the scoping and give the questions like okay. So for which just click on the project, click on edit project scope. So here I'm going to show you the settings like which need to be enabled. I'm just clicking on next, next. So here we need to enable few questions for the CTA. Okay. So which go to services. So drop down the customer care. Okay. In which like service communication for the customer care. Sorry, like service request management. Okay. In the service request management, you will identify like CTI. Okay. Just give the check mark for this. Okay. So the only one question like okay. So the required settings has been done in the business configuration. Okay, just click on next and I accept the pre-selected answers and all. So now the master data as a step one, and step two is a downloading of CTI Simulator, and followed by step three, okay, the scoping. So we have done it. Okay, now go to step four, which is like an administrator. So in the administrator, go to service and social. So if you come downstairs, you have the communication channels. Okay, in this communication channel, you have to click on live activity configuration. Okay, so this is standard like SAP CTI adapter. So you have to give some nomenclature as a provider ID. For example, I'm giving custom CTI. Okay, and this will be like a default as a Fury. So we are not going to change much anything over here. So we have to mark this like so the display provider control as S and all such fields as S. So no need to define anything further. Just come down, come down, come down. Okay, and here we have to move and resize notification as S. Okay, then like we have to define like which such objects we need to add it. Okay, just click on add, click on drop down. If you see like lead is not there, so for the sales point of view, like we are just take the accounts, contacts, and individual accounts. Like just click on accounts, add, contacts. So employees also we can take it. So individual accounts. Okay. So if you see like lead is out of the scope, okay, as a out of box functionality, just take the individual accounts like not individual accounts already taken. Let's take the sales orders. Okay. So once the required information has been configured and added, just click on save and close. Okay. So whatever the settings we have done, those are successfully saved and closed. Just for the reference, just have a cross check. Just click on live activity configurations. Yes, everything is good. So okay, such objects also got created. Good. Now, as a fifth step, let's have a testing process. Like, okay. So if you go to any individual customer, just click on call. Okay. The CTI simulator will be enabled. Like, see if you can able to see the customer name as a test customer. Once you click on this, okay. So the outbound activity will get created, and whatever the notes you have made it out of your discussion with the customer, you can give the notes like I answer just click on save. So this outbound activity will be going to create it for that particular customer. Like okay, so if you see, so another phone call, it will get created. Like okay, so now as a step two. Okay, so let's see like so whatever the business use case we have defined. Okay, So the company has conducted a trade show for which like multiple people has attended. Okay, let's go to the sales. Okay, so whoever they got attended, like we are going to create them as a leads. Okay, once the lead has been created, okay, so the lead will be automatically assigned to the sales rep based upon the org structure and all. Now the sales representative is going to call the lead out. So he just open the lead and give a call like. So here we are not going to get any name because like the lead is not out of the box. Here we say like customer is looking for a requester on so you can correct the mistakes. So once it is done, just click on save. Okay, so that this particular activity outbound call will be get generated to this particular customer like. Okay, so these are about like how to download the CTA simulator and do the testing process as a outgoing phone call like.